Final Web Design. This is Steve.
Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design, and today we're going to unbox the new MacBook Pro 16-inch computer. So let's do this. Very excited. I know I'm doing this video outside, but hey, I'm a remote developer. I'm always on the move. I gotta make these videos when and where I can. So as you see, we open this here and they have the beautiful 16-inch MacBook. I'm just gonna set this to the side. We'll look into the ports and the features after. And then as you can see, you have here just kind of your standard Apple. You have your documentation, your warranty, your instruction manual. I'm sure they give you the typical stickers. I'm sure they're in there. You have your typical cord. And this one seems to have some type of fabric. That's kind of cool. I like that. A little more durable. And then you have the big charger for the 16-inch. So guys, that's the unboxing. Stay tuned as I kind of break this down, go into the features and the port. Alright guys, so now that we have the MacBook open, why don't we take a look here on the Apple website. As you can see, there are 3 different models of the MacBook 16-inch. I actually went with the basic model here. That's the one that we're reviewing. It's the M1 Pro chip. There is the M1 Max chip that you can get over here on the high end of the 16-inch. From what I've heard, you know, once you get into the M1 Pro, M1 Max, you're already moving with some pretty powerful processor speed. However, the M1 Max, I know it can do up to like multiple monitors outside of, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6 monitors, things like that. It's definitely nice, but it's an extra if you don't, you know, push your machine that hard. The other thing is there's different amounts of RAM that are being given, and then hard drive space along with the processor itself. So if we actually look at the low-end model, that's the one that we're going to be reviewing today in this video, is basically you have your custom 16-inch screen. So that's the big thing with this model, is obviously the high retina display. And the 16-inch is more for people who are going to obviously be doing a lot of development and even video editing and such, because you're going to want that space. However, even if you have one of the smaller Macs, you're usually able to just plug an external monitor in. But as we just get down here, you can see the different processors. In this case, it is going to be the 16 core. They do have a 24 and a 32. I have heard people recommend going up if you're already getting the 16-inch. In this case, I got the base model that was available at the Apple Store. And then you can update the memory as well. So if you're going to go from 16 to 32 gigs of RAM, a lot of that is going to be for using multiple applications like Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, things that are very memory intensive. And then obviously you have the hard drive space here. Now I think that this is almost irrelevant to me. I always go with the lowest hard drive because everything I store is done up in the cloud, and I have, you know, unlimited cloud storage. I can access it from wherever, multiple different machines. It just seems to be a better option for me. So guys, those are the different MacBook Pros that basically we're unboxing here and what you've taken a look at. The other difference that I just want to highlight is not all the Thunder ports. I know in my 2017 machine it was all the Thunder ports, and obviously that is very, you know, difficult when you want to plug in a HDMI port or a smart card and things like that. So with the new machine, you do have all the normal ports, which is a benefit, but that shouldn't have probably been something that was taken away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review of the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I'm going to be putting this machine to more of a test, and I will follow up with another video. Leave your thoughts, your feedback on your experience with the computer. Like and subscribe, that stuff helps, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.